What's up, everybody? Robert with A1EDU. Thanks for being here. Today is going to be a video about the top 5 safe accessories of 2025. Tell you all about them, how you get them, how much they cost, everything. Let's get into the video. Don't have to be super tight. So, there's more on this table than what it seems like he said. I was gonna do a top 5, but then I quickly realized that some of them overlap. I'll explain what that means in a moment. A lot of these are gonna be from Liberty Safe because they have such a catalog of accessories that it just gives you an opportunity to buy these and then you can use them with whatever safe, right? But before we get too far, let's stop down and let's say thank you for being here. I'm so thankful for you being here. I'm gonna give you a code to use on the website to save some money when you're shopping, right? So whether you're headed to the website a-1locksmith.com or our other URL, which is libertygunsafe.com, when you get there and you get to checkout and you found your items like these or maybe a new safe, use the code A1EDU, save yourself some money. That is just genuinely us saying thank you for being here because you can be anywhere in the world, but you're watching safe stuff with a bearded guy. So I appreciate it. So again, I was gonna do top 5 and then there was some overlapping. Let's explain. Numero uno on the list. Now again, this is not my list or some made up marketing. I literally, before we started filming this video, went into our software and I just searched for all the safe accessories we've sold this year. And I put them in order of, what sold the most. And I thought, cool, that's what we'll talk about. So right off the bat is right here. This box says it's the power accessory kit. I'm gonna fly through some of this, right? This wasn't a detail on each one. We do have video, so I'll mention that, hey, there's probably a link, or maybe I'll have them show you a video where I've maybe did a deep dive into some of these parts, okay? So the power accessory kit is super popular because it kind of gives you everything that you want to get your safe up and running. First and foremost, it has a power outlet kit. So if you bought, say, a Liberty safe, for example, that didn't have power inside of it, well, we're gonna add it with that. We're gonna add a 12-inch dehumidifying rod to keep the moisture from building up inside your safe. And then we're gonna get the super cool LED lights inside the safe that are motion activated, so when you open the door, the lights pop on. That is far and away the most popular overall selling accessory because it's probably pretty simple math. The top 5 or I think it's top 5 selling safes off the top of my head do not have power inside of them. So if you're already gonna buy the power, hey, you probably should get the dehumidifier, add the lights, right? So that's number 1. Number 2 is a fan favorite, especially of my own. I've used these myself for years. Those are the handgun hangers, and of course this is the 4-pack. We did, the camera lady and myself, we did a pretty cool, we thought it was, and funny video about the handgun hangers. Maybe it's on the screen now, check it out please. So you can see exactly how they work, but it's great. They allow you to store your pistols really neat, really organized in your safe because you might be out of room on the door to put more on there. So here's another way to add some in there and keep it organized, right? So that's the top 2. Now here's what's crazy, right? So number 3, number 4, and number 5 on the list. Are these too bright in the camera? These guys right here are the bundle kit or the power accessory kit individually sold. So most of the time people buy them all together or they buy them individually. So that's why I said I was gonna do a top 5 video, then I realized I was like, oh, well, they're just duplicates. So again, 6-1 LED light kit. I think we even did a video on like how to install these and everything, how they operate, how they work. Maybe there's a picture on the screen of that one too. So huge popular. Oh, you know what? I didn't talk about price. Can we pause real quick? Just put it on the screen for me and I'll go over it, okay? This dude right here is $191. Yes, if you've been shopping, you may notice the prices I'm gonna throw out are a little bit higher. There has been some tariff issues that we're all dealing with. None of this stuff can be made in this country, honestly. Handgun hangers are. And because of that, we're gonna see some price increases, guys, unfortunately. So again, use that code that I gave you. Save some money still. So $191, or rifle rods are $22 for the 4-pack. Still a bargain. The outlet kit is now $54.99. The 12-inch dehumidifier is now $30. So we're seeing some price increases. Oh, if you want the lights just by themselves, these are $96. So tariffs, I'm sorry. Hopefully that changes sooner than not. We see some price changes, but just know that's probably what you're gonna see. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is an awesome product. Seriously, I genuinely use these in my safe, and I use most of all this crap, obviously. These are amazing to stack magazines. This is the AR-15 mag holder, and it is from Mag Storage Solutions. They have them also in, it's just not out here because it didn't make the top 10 list, but they've got an AK-47, AR-10, you can hold Scorpion magazines, they have a pistol mag magazine one. These are amazing too, and as you can see clearly, yes, made in America as well. So love these. These guys come in about $53. Spends on how many mags you have and storing them and everything. This guy right here, if you own a Browning safe, this is probably pretty familiar to you. This is a part of the Axis shelving from the Browning Pro Steel safes. This dude is made from steel. It is polymer coated. You can probably see there the polymer coating kind of pours on, or they put it on there as well. So for scratches or oils or whatever, it's fantastic. People buy a Browning safe and they often want more shelves for that super modular interior. That's really cool. That's a good add-on. Those are about $79 a piece. I think it went in this order. 18-inch dehumidifying rod was next. This might be a little bright. Let me see. That work? So the 18-inch dehumidifying rod is just a bigger version of the 12-inch, obviously. I think this made the list, to be very honest with you, because the manufacturers were having a hard time getting 12-inchers in stock for a while this year. So those got real popular because we had a whole bunch of those. Pretty neat because, I mean, you can use this in whatever safe it'll fit in, because you keep it on the floor, you know, at the bottom. It does up to, I think it's 200 cubic feet. So that's like a small room. That's absolutely going to keep that safe dry for you, okay? This little guy right here, super popular. Oh, did I say the price on that? I did not. That's $50 as well. The Liberty Humidity and Temperature Monitor, that's amazing because it's really inexpensive. You set it inside the safe, and at any time you can open the door and you can know what that humidity is, what's that temperature, so that you can keep an eye on that, and you could know what it is inside the safe or inside the room that it's in as well. So this thing only comes in at like 16 bucks. I had to look at the price again to make sure I wasn't wrong. Even with the price increase, it's only 16 bucks. That is super cool, really cheap insurance, so you can know that your stuff is being regulated temperature and humidity wise. Now, that said, literally, the very next one on the list, we'll call it number 10, is the Safe Alert from Liberty. We have done videos on this one for sure. I think I did a whole walkthrough how to set it up and everything on the phone, on the app or whatever. Like, it was a long video, sorry. But it's useful information if you're doing it for yourself for the first time. This dude right here is that, but like really big and strong version of it. This thing allows you to set it inside your safe. There's a little box that fits inside of this little box. And what happens is you download an app, and then from the app on your phone, you can see the internal temperature. You can see the internal humidity of your safe. It also tells you every single time the door opens. It also tells you if the safe vibrates, you know, like somebody's trying to break in. And every one of those things will alert on your phone, and it comes with this app. I mean, the tone, what do you call it? Is it a tone? When your phone goes off for the notification or whatever. My frickin' wife's French bulldog hates it because it's like, meh, meh, meh. It's so loud and powerful. But it's awesome because it makes you think, whoa, that's my safe. You're never gonna forget what that is. This thing is amazing. It's essentially an alarm system for your safe. So that's probably why it's so popular. And now this dude comes in with its new price is about $151. And I think that's worth every cent. Oh, if you lost it, everybody's like, oh, you just, you know, cut the antenna or whatever and kill the internet. Cool, you get a notification if the internet goes down as well. So you're kind of covered. These, ladies and germs, are absolutely your top selling safe accessories so far this year. All available on the website, right? I think we talked about it, but you've got libertygunsafe.com. You've got a-1locksmith.com. Like I said, we've got videos where we kind of break some of these down, even more details, but I just wanted to put it out there so it gives you something to think about while you're safe shopping, or you've bought your safe and, you know, what else do I need? What should I put in there, right? Along with that, please be sure to use that code of A1EDU and save yourself some doll hairs. And while you're doing things, clicking things, maybe going to the next link on the next video, all those things, like, maybe subscribe, little notification, share, all these other things I don't know what they actually do or they mean. Try it out though. Tell a friend about the bearded guy and that he might be able to help them. And then let us know, I left it out, I'm so sorry. If there's one of these that you have a question about that I didn't answer, or you don't see it on the other video, or more importantly, what's your favorite accessory? What's the thing you've bought this year or in the past that you really like? Put that down in the comment section too. Let's make a whole thing of it, right? Look at the community talking. Guys, again, thank you for being here. I am Robert. This is the A1EDU, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.